Hello family, it's Ajibade here, and I welcome us to a new week. I welcome us to another session of tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to manipulate your backgrounds to get what you need. Yeah. So this background was actually manipulated. Everything was done on Pixellab till I got this. So I'm just going to be walking us through the process in few minutes. So the essence of this is so that you are able to create the background you need for your project, for any project you want. So let's get started. Now before we get started, if you are new to this channel or if you have been getting value and you haven't subscribed, do so now. Smash the subscribe button, like, share, and share. Share and share. Thank you. So let's get started. I'm just going to tap on this. So I'm just going to tap on this, and we have that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just import the necessary elements that was used. So I'm just going to come to my backgrounds. So I'm going to come to my background. So this is it. This was one of it, and I have this meat, and I have lastly I think I have it here. I don't know, I'm not sure it's here. Okay, this is where it is, and I have this. So now the essence of this, the background was to portray, the design was to connote strong meat. I wanted to just look for something that will connote this properly. Yeah, so that's why I just had to get the Bible and a meat just to show that the meat you get. So that's the essence of it. Okay, so now let's get started. Now I'm just going to change the background color. Just going to do this, tap on this, and tap on the color pencil tool, and just paste in the color code. And tap on this, and tap on pencil tool, and I paste in the color code. Yes. So I'm just going to flip this around by tapping on this here. Yeah, and I have this. Okay, so then I take this up a bit. Okay, so what I will do now is just stretch this a bit. Now, because of I want the placements to be here on the design, the get, I am going to place it here, the get. So I'm just going to keep this one place. Just I'm not using it yet. And so is at times it's always advisable that each time you stretch your image, you can copy it so that you retain the quality. Yes. So you can see, let me show you the difference between the two images. You can see this one is a bit brighter than this. Okay, so if you got that, so I'm just going to keep this here, and I'm going to take this to the front, and what I'm going to do is just to zoom in, and bring this to the top. Even before doing all this, you have to create a hole on the Bible. And create a hole on the Bible. Okay, so now let's do that. Let's tap on the image, the Bible, and go to eraser. Increase the feathering to the end, and increase this also as the size of the shape. Then zoom in. Now the portion of where you want to erase is this part. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Yeah, so you bring this and just put it there. So we're going to go to eraser again, increase the feather to the end, increase this, then just clean this part of the meat so that it's not obvious that okay, to look like just the background. Yes, so now it's to sit, and then so it sits properly inside. Yeah, so the Bible and the meat, and okay. So we have this. So now what I'm going to do now is to blend. Now you can see this is not blending. So now what I'm going to do now is to blend the meat to the Bible. So go to my color filter, change the hue. Okay, you can see it's blending. It's blending. I think a hue of 50 should work for me, right? 50. Let's see. Then I reduce the saturation a bit and reduce the brightness. You can see that. I think that's all. Can you see now? Can you see the difference? Can see that it has blended. You can see it. So now what I can do again is just to add, is to come to my sticker, tap on your shadow and just get some shadow. Just place this and place this here and make it black. As I'm just showing you how you can manipulate your own background. Just keep this here, copy it out, and keep this so here too. Now the idea is to make sure that it's sitting on it. Okay, so if I'm good with that, then go back to my sticker again. I want to create some blending. So I've taught us that once you tap on your sticker, don't tap the check mark. Don't tap the check mark so you don't miss. So what you do, once you tap on your sticker, just tap on your canvas, then you have that, tap on your screen to get it done. Now what I'm going to do now on this shadow is just reduce the opacity. Then go to the color, then tap on this, tap on plus icon, tap on the eyedropper too. Then let's just pick from here. Okay, so I'll go back to, okay, so the idea was just to make it have a feel. Just want, just watch some check marking this, copy, just bring this here, copy here, bring this here, copy, place this here, copy, place this here, copy, place this here, and copy this. Okay, so I have this. And last thing I'm going to do is just to bring in this, take it to the front. Okay, so then centralize it because we zoom in. Okay, so now I can see it. I'll just take it here. So what I'm going to do with this is just go to my erase color. And don't worry, I'm going to make the resources made available. And I have this. Then I'm going to increase the tolerance, not to the end though, just to 20. Then go to color filter. Let's play around the hue a bit. Okay, the saturation. No, no, no. Just reduce the brightness just to, I want it to blend the background in a subtle way. Okay, so I have this. Copy this out and I place this here. Okay, so zoom out. Okay, so exactly. So what I'm going to do now is tap on shape. When I'm done with that, tap on shape and come here, just stretch this. Yeah, let it cover your screen and go to gradient. let's see, tap on this, work with the same background used for the work with the same color used for the background, or better still, let's just still maintain our white. Now what I'm going to do is just come to gradient, tap on the plus icon. Why I said that is because you still need this, but nevertheless, so just tap on this part here, then tap on this color bucket tool and just reduce the opacity of this. Then take this to the front. Then I've taught us in some of my videos that we have 6 different gradient style. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this, I'm going to be making use of this fifth one. Then what I'm going to do is just to bring this here. Sorry, take this to the top and bring this somewhere like this. You see what I'm doing? It's very easy. Just tap on this one and just readjust it. You get. Okay, so you can see small. I'm going to bring it bigger. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay, so just adjust it like this. Take it this way. Okay, I think I've gotten what I wanted. Okay, so just go back to edit. Just bring this down a bit. Yeah. Now just watch. Just see this. And we are good. So what to do is now on this same shape, go to eraser and just increase this the feathering to the end and just do this. Increase the size of the brush, then just do this. Can you see what I'm doing? Oh my goodness. Can you see how we just manipulated the background? So just do it again so you are satisfied. Can you see this? Oh my. Can you see this? Can you see this? I think I love it this way. Yeah. Let's leave it this way. Can you see this? So now you can now save this stuff as your background. You can save it and import it into your designs. Do you get? So you can now decide to do whatever you want with it. Do you get? So let's save this now. Let's just save this. So you can decide to just save it. Just save it. So partially sure. So just save it. Then you can import it. So we have it here. So you import it. You can decide to take it to Snapseed or anything to enhance the quality whatsoever you want. So now let's delete all this first. Let's delete all this. I'm just showing you practical stuff. So you can now use it as a background. Can you see that? Can you see it? So let's copy this as to make the quality sharp. Delete this. Then bring this here. Can you see this? And you can have this as your background. Can you see? And you can work with it anytime, anywhere. So that's how to work. That's how to create background. So with this, I'm going to be creating a video on how I did a particular design. Yeah, the strong multiplier. Probably next. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe. If you got value, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. See you in the next video tutorial.